How to log in to your Go Mastercard account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Go Mastercard account online. For this, open up any web browser and head over to gomastercard.com.au. Then it's going to take you to this web page. Now, Go Mastercard is a type of credit card offered by Latitude Financial Service in Australia. It is a low-rate credit card that offers a range of features and benefits. If you want to log in to your Go Mastercard account, you simply want to click on the Login option. Now, a drop-down will appear. Click on Login for credit cards. It's going to navigate to this login portal. Here, you want to enter your Latitude ID email address, so go ahead and do that. Then click on the Login option. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option. Now, you will have to enter the email address here as well. Then click on the Send Code option. Now, you will have to enter the code that you received in your email address. With that, you can very easily reset your password. After your password has been reset, enter your password and then click on the login option. If all of your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Go Mastercard account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.